Good morning students, I hope you are fine. So let's start question number 2 from exercise 5.1. Using the divisibility rules, check if 8,24,672 is divisible by 4 and 8. So we have to check this number is divisible by 4 and 8 or not. So students, you know that what is divisibility rule for 4? Last two digit must be divisible by 4. And what is divisibility rule for 8? Last three digits should be divisible by 8. So I have provided answer to you. So students, when writing answer of this question, you first write divisibility rule of 8. So last three digits should be divisible by 8. Then after that you have to divide last three digit by 8. So when you divide 672 by 8, you will get 84 and there is no remainder. Okay, remainder is 0. Here you can see that there is no remaining. Okay, means this number is completely divided by 8. Then similarly you write divisibility rule for 4. So what is divisibility rule for 4? Last two digits should be divisible by 4. What are last two digits? So it is 72. So when you divide 72 by 4, it is completely divisible by 4 because there is no remainder. Okay, this is called remainder. So remainder is here 0, means it is completely divisible by 4. So you can write that this number is divisible by 4, this number is divisible by 8. Okay, that we have to check. We have to check if that number is divisible by 4 and 8 or not. So this is very easy question. So now let's move to question number 3. So question number 3 is replace asterisk. Okay, replace this star mark with a digit. So this star mark actually is digit. Okay, what is the number? 2,89 and then star, such that the number is divisible by 5 but not by 10. So what is divisibility rule for 5? Students, divisibility rule for 5 is last digit should be 0 or 5. So if I place last digit, means last asterisk 5, then it is divisible by 5 but not 10. But if I replace this asterisk by 0, then it will be divisible by 5 and 10 both, and we do not want it to be divisible by 10. So students, answer of this question is 5 is the digit replaced asterisk, so the number is 2,895, which is divisible by 5 but not by 10, because we do not want this number to be divided by 8. Okay, if you replace asterisk by 0, it will be also by divisible by 8, and we do not want that. So this is your answer. Now let's move to question number 4. Question number 4 says, which is the smallest digit you can replace asterisk with such that the number 42,1 asterisk 6 is divisible by 3. So what is divisibility rule for 3? So students, let's write first divisibility rule for 3. So in all the question, okay, first write divisibility rule. So what is divisibility rule for 3? So divisibility rule for 3 is, if the sum of the number is divisible by, if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 3. Okay, so let's do the sum of 42,1 asterisk 6. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus asterisk plus 6. So it will give you 4 plus 2 6 and 6 plus 1 7. So 7 plus asterisk plus 6, it will give you 7 plus 6 is 13, so 13 plus asterisk students. Now you can see that if I replace asterisk by 2, okay, so it will be 15, and 15 is divisible by 3, so we have to find the smallest digit which can replace asterisk. So smallest digit which can replace asterisk is 2. Okay, yes, when you add 13 to 2 it will give you 15, and 15 is divisible by students 3. Okay, so we have considered as trig is equal to 2, and then 15 is divisible by 3. Okay, we have to find out the smallest number, so smallest here is 2. So smallest number which can replace asterisk is 2. That is our answer. Now question number 5. Question number 5 says which of this number is or are divisible by 6. So this is your question, student. This is your homework, students. You have to find out if one number or more than one number, okay, if one number or more than one number are divisible by 6. So this is your homework. You have to find out, is any number divisible by 6 here? Is this one number or two number or three number? Okay, so write your answer in comment box, like 5643 is divisible by 6, or 9832 is divisible by 6. So write your answer in comment box. Sir, this number is divisible by 6 here. Okay, now let's move to question number 6. Question 6 says, can we arrange 225 flowers in 9 rows in such a way that each row has an equal number of flowers? If this number is divisible by 9, then we can arrange it. So student, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4 plus 5 is 9. So sum of 225 is 9. So yes, this number is divisible by 9, so we can arrange it. So you can write answer that yes, we can arrange 225 flower plots in a row with equal number of flowers, because 225 is divisible by 9. Okay, divisible by 9. You can write here divisible by 9. Now let's move to question number 7. Question number 7 says a box can contain 8 pastries. 280 pastries are to be packed in a box in such a way that no pastry is left. How many boxes are required? So students, you need to divide 280 by 8. It will give you 35. Okay, suppose there is one box, okay, and in that box you can hold 8 pastries. Okay, so it is asking how many boxes are required. 2 boxes required, 3 boxes required, 4 box, 5, 6. How many boxes required? So you need to divide 280 by 8. That will give you 35. So 35 boxes are required. Now let's move to question number 8. I have selected an students 3 questions, okay, that are very important. These questions are asked in competitive exam, like state level exam, national level exam, like that. These questions are asked. So what is first question? What should be added to 2437 so that it is completely divisible by 9? So students, you know that 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 7 is equal to, it is 6 plus 10. So students, totally it is given 16, and we know that 16 does not come in 9's table. So it is asking what should be added to this number. If we add this number here 2, okay, then it will give you 18, and 18 is divisible by 9. So students, what you'll do, you will add 2 to this number, okay, which will give you 2439, and this number is divisible by 9. So you will say, sir, we need to add 2 here, okay. Similarly, same question, what should be subtracted from 2437 so that this number is completely divisible by 9. So you know that when we do sum, it gives you 16, and what we need to do, lowest number to subtract. So when you will subtract 7 from here, okay, it will give you 9, okay. So students, we need to subtract here 9 from this number, okay. So when you will do subtraction from 2437, it will give you 2428, okay. 2428 is completely divisible by 9. Similarly, same question, this is your homework, and all the questions, these are extra questions, you also have to write in your fair copy. Okay, so this question is your homework. Okay students, see you in next video.